Good day, everyone. I am Jasmine Espana Amantes, and today I will tackle about human development. So, what is human development? Human development is the pattern of movement or change that begins at conception and continues through the lifespan. It includes growth and decline. It can be positive or negative. So I will discuss the major principles of human development. So first is development is relatively orderly. It includes proximodestal pattern and cephalocaudal pattern. So what is proximodestal pattern? Proximodestal pattern is development proceeds from the center of the body outward. And cephalocaudal pattern is development proceeds from the head downward. So another major principles of human development is while the pattern of development is likely to be similar, the outcomes of developmental processes and the rate of development are likely to vary among individuals. It means that if children come from good home with loving and caring parents, they may develop into warm and responsible children, adolescents, and adults. Another one is development takes place gradually. It means that continuous development sees our development as cumulative process. Changes are gradual. On the other hand, discontinuous development sees our development as taking place in specific step of stages. Then the last major principles of human development is development as a process is complex because it is the product of biological, cognitive, and socio-emotional processes. It means that human development is a complex process that cannot be compartmentalized into any one domain. So human development is a process that encompasses many different developmental domains. Approaches to human development. It includes the traditional perspective and the lifespan approach. So traditional perspective is believes that individuals will show extensive change from birth to adolescence, little or no change in adulthood, and decline in late old age. It means that we define traditional perspective as being tied to transformation of energy and materials, regulation of processes and system growth or adaptation. Lifespan approach. It believes that even in adulthood, developmental change takes place as it does during childhood. So the lifespan developmental approach has provided an overarching framework for understanding human development from conception to death. Lifespan development is a continuous process influenced jointly by biology and environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Rovelyn Medina Asho, BS Ed Math Group 1, and now I will present the characteristics of a lifespan perspective. What are the characteristics of a lifespan perspective? There are 5 characteristics of lifespan perspective. First, development is lifelong. Second, development is multidimensional. Third, development is plastic. Fourth, development is contextual. Fifth, development involves growth, maintenance, and regulation. Development is lifelong. It does not end in adulthood. No developmental stage dominates development. It means that development is not complete infancy or childhood or at any specific age. It encompasses the entire lifespan from conceptions to death. Remembering that development is a lifelong process helps us gain to a wider perspective on the means and impact of each event. Development is multidimensional. Development consists of biological, cognitive, and socio-emotional dimensions. It involves the dynamic interaction of factors like physical, emotional, and psychosocial development. Development is plastic. Development is possible throughout the lifespan, meaning that characteristics are malleable or changeable. Development is contextual. Individuals are changing beings in a changing world. Developmental contextualism recognizes that humans are inherently social beings. Development involves growth, maintenance, and regulation. Growth, maintenance, and regulation are three goals of human development. The goals of individuals vary among developmental stages. As an individuals, the growth, maintenance, and regulation lose in their capacities take center stage away from the growth. Those are the five characteristics of a lifespan perspective. Principle of child development and learning that inform practices. All areas of development and learning are important. Learning and development follow sequences. Development and learning proceed to varying rates. Development and learning results from an interaction of maturation and experience. Learning experiences have profound effective effects on development and learning. Development proceeds toward greater complexity, self-regulation, and symbolic or representational capacities. Children develop best when they have secure relationships. Development and learning occur and are influenced by multiple social and cultural contexts. Children learn in a variety of ways. Play is an important vehicle for developing self-regulation and promoting language, cognition, and social competencies. Development and learning advance when children are challenged. Children's experiences shape their motivations and approaches to learning. And that's all. Thank you.